Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make takeaway style vegetable biryani gravy. Although biryani is a meal in itself, it's usually served with a small side of vegetable gravy. This simple vegetable shorba is perfect, tasty and quick to make. Perfect served alongside my chicken tikka basmati and a pot of crunchy red onions. To begin, add the oil, bay leaf and cinnamon stick to a pan on a medium heat until bubbles start to form around the hard spices. Add in the onions and cook until starting to soften and brown slightly. Add in the garlic paste and stir through for around 30 seconds until the strong smell disappears. In with the watered down tomato paste, mix through and allow again to cook for around 30 seconds to remove the bitterness. Add the spice mix, salt, coriander powder, cumin seeds and methi. Mix through well, adding a little base gravy if required and allow to simmer for a few minutes. Tip in your choice of vegetables. I use a simply frozen mix from Aldi and stir through. Add in the half of the heated base gravy, stir through and allow to reduce by about half before adding the rest. Allow to reduce until the sauce is the consistency you require and the vegetables are cooked through. Serve on its own as a simple vegetable curry or with my chicken tikka biryani and red onions. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.